Good evening everyone. Now we are going to see exercise 8.1 first question. In a week, temperature of a certain place is measured during winter are as follows: 26 degrees Celsius, 24 degrees Celsius, 28 degrees Celsius, 31 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, 26 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. We need to find mean temperature of the week. Mean, generally we use x bar to represent the mean. It will be summation of all the given observation x divided by number of the observation n. This is a formula. X bar equal to summation x divided by n. Here we have to find the mean. So we have to add the given values: 26 plus 24 plus 28 plus 31 plus 30 plus 26 plus 24. The summation value is nothing but 189 divided by number of terms. Here in a week value they have given. So in a week we have 7 days. We have to check here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 values are given. So we have to divide it by 7. So that 189 by 7 will be 27 degrees Celsius. So our required answer, mean temperature of a week is 27 degrees Celsius. Next question number 2. A mean weight of 4 members of a family is 60 kg. 3 of them have the weight 56 kg, 68 kg and 72 kg respectively. Find the weight of the 4th member. Here x bar value 60 kg, that is mean value they have given 60 kg. Here 3 values we know, 4th value we don't know. So we have to take the unknown value as x. So 56 plus 68 plus 52 plus x divided by 4 will be 60. Now we have to add these 3 value, which is 240. Now we need to take this 4 to another side of the equation. We have to add these 3 value, which is 196. Okay, when we add these 3 value we get 196. We have to take this 4 to here. So 4 60s are 240. Okay, now we need x value. So we have to take this 196 to here. So when we subtract 240 and 196, we will get 44 kg. This is the weight of the 4th person. Clear? Next question number 3. In a class test in mathematics, 10 students scored 75 marks, 12 students scored 60 marks, 8 students scored 40 marks and 3 students scored 30 marks. Find the mean of their score. Here value they didn't give directly. So 10 students scored 75. So 10 into 75, 750. Like this we have to take the given observation marks. Okay, then number of students will be 10 plus 12 plus 8 plus 3. Okay, now we have to find the value, x value, then we have to add the x value and then we have to divide it by the number of students. Now total score of the students, let me find by 10 into 75. 10 students scored 75 mark, 12 into 60, 12 students scored 60 mark, 8 into 40, 8 students scored 40 marks, 3 into 30, 3 students scored 30 marks. So total score of that 33 children, 33 students is nothing but 10, 12, 8 plus 3, the total value is 33. Okay, now we have to multiply this value. 10 into 75, 750, 12 into 60, 720, 8 into 40, 320, 3 into 30, 90. When we add this value, we will get 1880. Now we have to divide it by 33. Now the value will be 56.96. So we can take it as approximately 57. So mean score of the score will be 57. Okay, mean score of the given children will be 57. Clear? Next question number 4 we will see. In a research laboratory, scientists treated 6 mice with lung cancer using natural medicine. 10 days later, they measured the volume of the tumor in each mouse and given the result in the table, mouse marking and then tumor volume. We have to find the mean first. So the given value is first mouse 145, second mouse 148, third mouse 142, fourth mouse 141, for fifth mouse 139, sixth mouse 140. Here we have to add this value to find the mean value. We have to add this value. Here number of mouse is 6, so we have to divide it by 6, so it will be 142.5. Simple addition and division it is. The formula only the important thing. Next question number 5. If the mean of the following data is 20.2, then find the value of P. Here marks and the number of students have given. Here number of students will be the X value, mark will be the F value. So that the formula for X bar is nothing but summation Fx divided by F. Now 10 into 6, that is this value, 10 into 6, 15 into 8, 20 into P, 25 into 10, 30 into 6 divided by summation of F, that is number of students value we have to add 6 plus 8 plus P plus 10 plus 6. Now when we multiply this value we will get a 60, and we multiply this 120, this is 20P, this is 250, this is 180 divided by, when we add this value we will get a 30 plus P. Now we have to we have to substitute instead of X bar 20.2. Now we have to keep this one to here. Now when we simplify this one we will get 0.2 P equal to 4. Okay, this is normal simplification you can do. So 0.2 P, finally we get 0.2 P equal to 4. Now what will be the P value? It will be 4 divided by 0.2. Here the decimal value is there. So to cancel this decimal we have to multiply by 10. Okay, when it is multiplied by 10, 0.2 into 10 will be 2.0. Okay, so it is 2, it becomes 2. Now in a numerator when we multiply it will becomes 40 by 2. When we divide this one it will be 20. So that our final answer is P is equal to 20. Now question number 6. In a class, weight of students is measured for the class records. Calculate mean weight of the class students using direct method. Here we have to use the direct method. Here continuous data they have given, that is range of the limits they have given, range value, limits value they have given, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, the values are given. So this value we have to take as X. Okay, here number of students, this value we have to take as F. Here first we have to check whether the given limits are continuous limits or discontinuous limits. Here the given limits are continuous. What is continuous? Here the last, that is we will use to say this one end limit. Okay, upper limit or else upper limit. Here upper limit and the next terms lower limit must be equal. Here upper limit 25, next term lower limit 35 must be equal. This like if the terms are given, if the limits are given, it is continuous limit. Okay, you have studied this concept in 7th standard itself. Now we will see how to find the mean value by using the direct. It is very simple. We have to take the middle value of X first. The weight they have given, first we have to put the tabular column like this. Weight in kgs 15 to 25. What they have given in question, that you have to write. 15 25 4, 25 to 35 11, 35 to 45 19, 45 to 55 14, 55 to 65 0, 65 to 75 2. And next we have to find the middle value. What is the middle value here? 15 to 25, the middle value is 20. Here the middle value is 30. Here 40, 50, 60, 70. Now we need to multiply this F and X value. Fx value we have to multiply. Okay. Now Fx for 4 into 20 it is 80. 11 into 30 it is 330. 19 into 40 which is 760. 14 into 50 is 700. 0 into 60 is 0. 2 into 70 is 140. Now we have to find the summation value. Summation of the Fx, that is sum of all these value we have to find. When we add this value we will get 2010. We know the formula X bar equal to, same formula for direct method also, summation of Fx divided by summation of F. Here summation of F is nothing but number of students. We have to add the number of students. So 4 plus 11 plus 19 plus 14 plus 0 plus 2 is 50. So here the value summation of Fx by summation of F50 which is equal to 40.2. This is the mean weight of the given student record. Okay. So next Question number 7. Calculate the mean of the following using the assumed mean method. Here assumed mean we have to take by ourselves, so that the formula little bit change. Here the given values class interval we must check the continuous or discontinuous, upper limit and lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, upper limit, lower limit, everything is okay. Here it is continuous limit. So that what we can do, we can proceed the next step. First we have to write the class interval and then frequency. Next we have to write the middle value of the x. Afterwards we have to choose the assumed value. Then we need to find the d value by using the assumed value. Let us see that. First class interval we have to write x 0 to 10 5, frequency same, 10 to 27, 20 to 30 15, 30 to 40 28, 40 to 58. Now middle value of this interval is 5, middle value of this interval is 15, middle value of this interval is 25, middle value of this interval is 35, middle value of this interval is 45. Now we need to assume one mean. How can you assume? It is very simple. Here 2 term, here 2 term. So this will be the middle. Here what is the middle value? 25 is in middle value. Middle value means which is in middle. 25 is middle. So we have to take the assumed mean be 25. Assumed mean will be the middle value, that is 25. Now we need to find the d value by subtracting the assumed mean from the x value. Now 5 minus 25 is 20, 15 minus 25 is minus 10, sorry, 5 minus 25 will be minus 20, okay. 15 minus 25 is minus 10, 25 minus 25 is 0, 35 minus 25 is 10, 45 minus 25 which is 20. Now we need to find f into d. Fx generally we will do when it is assumed mean, we need to find d and we have to find f and d. We should not take x value. So f and d will be minus 100, 7 into minus 10, minus 70, 15 into 0, 0, 28 into 10, 280, 8 into 20, 160. Now we need to find the summation of fd and summation of f. So summation of f must be number of frequencies 63, summation of fd here 270. Now the formula, generally the formula is summation of fx divided by summation of f. When the assumed method have applied, we need to add the assumed value, and here f will be, sorry, x will be changed as d. Okay, so a plus summation fd divided by summation f. Here assumed mean value is 25, fd summation value 270, f summation value 63. Now we have to divide this one, that will be 4.29. When we add this one, it will be 29.29. This is our exact mean value. We are finding the exact mean value by using the assumed mean. Hope you are clear. Next question number 8. Find the arithmetic mean of the following data by using the, actually it is a standard deviation method. So we are going to find it by using the standard deviation method. The formula is x bar equal to a plus summation fd by summation f into c, where d is x minus a by c. When the assumed mean have given, d value is nothing but x minus a, that is assumed mean. When the standard deviation or step deviation, when that method have mentioned, we have to find d by using the formula x minus a by c. Here c is some class interval. C is nothing but the class interval. So let us see now. They have given the age 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39 and 40 to 45. Here it is a discontinuous value. Am I right? Because here 19 upper value, here lower limit is 20. This is discontinuous. So what we used to say, we have to take the difference value. 20 minus 19 will be 1. We have to divide it by 2. That will be the adjusted factor. We have studied in 7th standard the adjusted factor. Now we have to subtract this adjusted factor to every lower limit, and we have to the lower limit we have to subtract the factor, this adjusted factor, and to the upper limit we have to add the adjusted factor. Now it will then it will become a continuous limit. Okay, let us do that work first. So 15 minus 0.5, 14.5, 19 plus 0.5, 19.5, here 19.5, 20 minus 0.5, 19.5, 24 plus 0.5, 24.5, 25 minus 0.5, 24.5, now 29.5, 29.5, 24.5, 24.5, 29.5, 39.5, 39.5, here 44.5. Now the limits are becomes a continuous limit. Let us proceed with the next step. X value we have to write, middle value of the x we have to write. Now middle value of the x is nothing but we have to add this value and we need to divide this value. So 14.5, 19.5, middle value is nothing but we have to add and divide by 2. 5 plus 5, 10, remaining 1, now 4, so 34, so divided by 2 it will be 17. Now here same thing, 19.5 plus 24.5, when we add this one 10, remaining 1, 10, 4, remaining 1, 44, when we divide it by 2 it is 22. This is the middle value. Here the middle value must be 27, here the middle value must be 32. We have to add 3 value. Okay, we have to 2.5 will be the middle value, we have to add 2.5. okay, here when we add 2.5 it will be 37, when we add 2.5 it will be 42. Now we found the middle value also. Next what we have to take and write the given value f, 4, 20, 38, 24, 10, 9, the f value we have to write. Now when it is a standard deviation or step deviation method, we have to choose a d value as x minus a by c. Here assumed mean we have to take first. Here we have 3 and 3 common value, 3 common value, so we can choose either from here or from here. So here I am choosing here 32 as a assumed value. Next we have to choose the class interval. So class interval is nothing but the distance between the lower limit and the upper limit, which is here 5. So here they have given 45, which is wrong, it is 5 only. Now we have to find the d value by using assumed mean as well as the class. So one value I have found here by here, x value here 17 minus assumed mean is 32 divided by 5. Now 32 we have to subtract 17, here 12, here 2, 12 minus 7 which is 5, 2 minus 1 which is 1. So 15 minus 5, here minus 32, so minus 15 will come. So 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 15. So the answer is minus 3. Like this you have to find value of d value of remaining limits also. Here it is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So now f and d we have to multiply f value, d value. So 4 into minus 3 minus 12, 20 into minus 2 minus 40, then minus 38, 0, 10, 18. Now we need to find the summation value of f as well as fd. Here it is minus 62, here it is 105. Next we have to apply to the formula x bar. Here when the standard deviation method, the formula is a plus summation fd by summation f into c. Here we have divided by c, so we have to multiply here c into c. The value is 5, so we just apply the value 32 plus minus 62 by 105 into 5. Here the value is 32. When we simplify this one 21, when we divide this one minus 2.952, when we add this value we will get 29.05. So 29.05 is the mean value of 05 is the mean value of this given data. So I hope you may understand. So once again revise this one and we will meet in next class. Thank you so much.